Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi weeks for the week of May 16th through the 22nd. And this is what I use as my work planner. So this week I will be using, excited for this, part of my newest collection, or newest release. It's the watercolor wildflowers. So this is the deco, and actually this was so fun to create. I learned, I don't want to say new technique, but I learned how to do these watercolor wildflowers, and then as soon as I learned how to do them, they were just so fun to make. And then the watercolor paint swatches. So these two are in the clear matte sticker paper. And then I decided just to switch things up, I would do the circles in the white matte and then the quote in the white matte. I may not use all of these stickers in the Hobonichi Week spread, but just wanted to show you guys what was available in this particular collection. Let's get started. So the first thing that I want to do is actually put this bunch of flowers down at the bottom. And if you had told me a year ago that I would be creating florals like this, I would have been like, okay, sure, how? And I actually have subscribed to something called Skillshare. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it, but I also watch a few people on YouTube to help me improve my skills on Procreate. Now I created this bunch of flowers to put down at the bottom because I think they're just so pretty, but I can't decide which side to put them on. I'll put them here because I'm not working next weekend. Oh, I love those colors. And I love how they kind of look like they were painted on the page. Ooh, I love that. Now I'm trying to decide which colors I'm going to use. So I currently have Pilot Iroshizuku Yamabudo in here, so that would go really well with that. And then I did use this. It had Robert Oster Avocado in here. I used that last week. And then this has Robert Oster Bondi Blue, so I think I'll go with the Yamabudo and the Bondi Blue, just even to write the days. I know I already forgot that one. Oops. Thursday. You know, in the last 2 weeks of my Hobonichi Week spreads, normally I use this side for writing notes and things, and I haven't actually had to use it that much the last couple of weeks for notes, so they've been a little empty. So I could have done more to decorate, but that's okay. Then I'm going to use my Coffee Monsters Co. Rose Gold ruler to just draw a line about 2/3 of the way down the middle. And this helps me to separate my meetings from my to-do lists. Oh, look at that blue. How pretty is that? Then I want to use one of these circles, this one up at the top here. I like mixing the white matte with the clear matte sticker paper. Even in the Hobonichi weeks, I know it stands out a little bit more in the weeks because the paper in here is a cream kind of color, but I like the contrast. Where's the washi? And the washi I want to use is going to be very neutral compared to all of this, so I'm just going to use this grid washi right here. And then I'm going to put something down at the bottom as well with this grid washi just to add that something down at the bottom. And then I'm going to add a few more of these florals. These were really fun to make. They were a little bit, it took me a little time to learn how to do them, but once I had it, I was just so happy that I could do them. And, you know, to learn different techniques in Procreate, I never thought I could do something like this a year or two ago. So that just goes to show that I know it's going to sound corny like an after school special, but if you put your mind to something. There we go. Ooh, I like that. Now I want to put some color up here, and I'm going to do that with these paint swatches, but first let's find my Tombow Fudenosuke pen. And I'm gonna, actually I need one more thing so I don't smudge anything. Where is my, there we go. These blotter papers are a lifesaver, especially when you have fountain pen ink. But also, when you're not writing with fountain pen ink, it's good to use blotter paper because sometimes the oils from your hand and the lotions that you're using can get onto the paper and actually creates a weird chemical reaction between the fountain pen ink and the lotion and the oils on the paper, so it kind of comes off weird. I've seen that happen in, what video was that? With Adventure Denali with Alicia when she was doing ink swatches. And green. I really love the different sizes of the paint swatches here, and I have Helen to thank for suggesting that. So, oh, I love it. Love, love, love it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and write in my meetings and then I'll be right back. So there is the overall finished spread. I really like the combination of the fountain pen inks with the wildflowers. I love how colorful it is, and I'm looking forward to be able to use the different color inks. I used to be a black ink only type of person, but now I love playing with all the different fountain pen inks. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, this watercolor wildflowers collection is available in my shop, and I will leave the link in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.